Hello all, this is Pihu again, and today we shall be discussing a very important HR interview question, which is what are your strengths? The biggest secret behind answering this question efficiently would be relevance. Avoid the mistake of frustrating your interviewer by stating how efficient a sports person you are or what are your biggest sports achievement when you have applied for a sales job. No, do not do that. Instead, what you can do is you can use certain characteristics like being extremely disciplined or determined to become a very good athlete, as these characteristics are also a part of some very good salespeople. Always keep in mind that you have to align your strengths with the expectations of the interviewer and the expectations of the job profile you have applied for. Before moving into what are your strengths look like, we need to take certain points into consideration. These are: first, never state one-liners or adjectives. Always keep in mind while answering these questions, do not come up with single-liner strengths. For example, I am a very hard-working person, I am a very disciplined person, I have immense determination, I am a very laborious person, etc. The interviewers do not very well appreciate these one-liners in most cases. Point number 2, back your strength with an example. Always keep in mind that whatever strength you come up with, always back it up with a story. For example, if you are coming up with the strength of having proficiency in coding, back it up with an achievement. For example, you can come up with something like this: I have coding as my strength from the very first year of my college. I have participated in several inter-college coding competitions and have achieved several awards at national level as well. Similarly, if you want to code hard work as a strength, come up with an example supporting it as well, instead of just stating that you are a hard-working person. The third point would be an opportunity to take the interview your way. Many times what happens is, in between the interview, we feel that we are not very satisfied with our performance, or we feel that the interview is not going according to our expectation. So this is a question which gives us an opportunity to get back at the interview. By this question, we can seek the attention of the interviewer by highlighting some of our strength or capabilities which are very well related to the job profile we have applied or the expectations of the interviewer, in order to leave a very lasting impression on him. So yes, this is a question which can actually be a game changer. Coming back to what an ideal what are your strength answer looks like, basically it must comprise of the following 3 skills in a very sequential manner:
knowledge skills, transferable skills, personal skills. Knowledge skills are those skills which are acquired from education and experience. For example, computer skills, languages, degrees, training, and technical ability. Transferable skills. Transferable skills mainly comprise of communication and people skills, analytical problem solving, and planning skills. Personal skills mainly comprise of your unique qualities. For example, flexible, hardworking, expressive, formal, being a good team player, etc. Always remember to back these qualities with an example. Do not mention them as just adjectives. Coming to what an ideal answer looks like, let us look at how it should actually be presented with the help of an example. I have immense proficiency in coding. I hold command in several technical languages such as C, C++, Python. I have also worked on Salesforce in my previous organization. I have won several national level coding competitions such as ABC, etc. I enjoy interacting with people and helping them solve problems, both on the phone and via mail. I have been an online customer service representative for over a year. We were measured both on how satisfied people are after they have worked with us, and also if they continue to purchase our products and services later, or if they cancel their service. I am proud to say that I am usually among the customer satisfaction leaders in our group and have received 3 Employer of the Month awards in my span of employment. I have always been known for my work ethic. I am committed to meeting deadlines and taking responsibility for the quality of my performance. A few months ago, I was working with a client who had us on a tight deadline. There was a mix-up in the delivery of some key paperwork and it didn't get to our office until closing the night before the deadline. Rather than going home and ignoring the problem, I stayed late and finished the project, making sure that our deadline was not only met but that the report was accurate.
So that is how an ideal what are your strengths should be answered. And so here we come towards the end of our second HR interview question. You can download the sample what are your strengths from the link given in the description box. Stay tuned. Thank you.
Do follow our channel Nursery to Varsity on all our social media handles. Keep liking, keep subscribing and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.